Well, good morning, all. My name is Hugo Relva. I'm legal advisor at Amnesty International, and I'm based at home in Argentina. Our team is the team that has followed in the past all negotiations to the Rome Statute and also the Draft Convention on Crimes Against Humanity. And that explains why we are deeply interested in this mutual legal assistance treaty. That's a very important treaty. And why? Because first of all, it's not only for states parties to the Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court, but also for states that are not party to the Rome Statute. But for those states party to the Rome Statute, in a way, this mutual legal assistance, along with the convention, the Draft Convention on Crimes Against Humanity, are a sort of complementary instruments to the Rome Statute. We have the Genocide Convention, we have the Geneva Conventions and the protocols, but there is another leg which lacks, which is the one about crimes against humanity from a substantive point of view. But from a procedural point of view, there is a complete absence of a truly multilateral treaty dealing with extradition and a number of measures of cooperation among states for those responsible for genocide, crimes against humanity, and war crimes. So the situation, if both treaties, the Draft Convention on Crimes Against Humanity and the Mutual Legal Assistance Treaty, are adopted, the second one in a couple of weeks, it will be a sort of ideal situation because we will have all the substantive treaties in place and the procedural one also in place. And that would be superb in terms of fighting impunity. I insisted on the procedural nature of the Mutual Legal Assistance Treaty, which is basically true, but also at the same time, this draft convention contains today a number of provisions on substantive provisions regarding, for example, victims' rights, the right to reparation, the right to be represented in a trial, the right to be heard in a trial too. There is an important provision on the obligation to extradite or prosecute, known in Latin as audere ou judicare, whereby each state, in a way, let people know that if they enter the territory and they are suspected of criminal responsibility for genocide, crimes against humanity, war crimes, torture, or enforced disappearance, there shall be a criminal investigation shall be open, unless the state decides to extradite that person to a third state or to surrender him or her to an international criminal court.